Of course, when my neighbors brought over apples from their tree, I had to make apple crisp. Let's get started. Start out by making the crumb mixture that goes on top of the apples. Mix flour, brown sugar, white sugar, and salt into a bowl. Add cold butter that has been sliced, and mix with your hands until the butter is the size of a pea. Add the oats and squeeze the mixture until the large, moist clumps form. Place in the fridge until you have prepared the apples. In a large bowl, add peeled, sliced apples, fresh squeezed lemon juice, cinnamon, and sugar. Mix until combined. If you're liking this episode, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In a 9x13 pan, add the apples and sprinkle with the topping mixture. Bake in a preheated oven set at 375 degrees until golden and bubbling, about 55 to 65 minutes. Let it cool for 10 minutes before serving it up with vanilla ice cream. Enjoy! We'll see you in the next video.